So everyone is posting on Facebook, Instagram, X, Pinterest, even TikTok. But what if I told you you could actually earn money from that traffic? Not by selling courses, not by running your own products, but just by sharing by a smart link. So, in this video, I'll show you how to monetize your social media traffic using Monetag SmartLink step by step. And yes, even if you are a beginner, you can do this. And let's get started. Let's head to the computer screen where I'll show you the proper demonstration of how to create this and how to make your landing page into a earning machine. So let's get started. Let me check the whole thing is working, my audio and all. So let's resize my camera window. Basically, you guys don't want to see it. It is just a distraction for you guys. Okay, so that would be the perfect, I guess. Okay. So let's head to the website called Moneytag. So I will directly click on the Google Chrome and I'll search moneytag.com. And here we go. This is the website I was talking about. So I am already showing you guys this. So you can simply just start with a simple start earning button and follow the further process. So you guys ever think that Moneytag is a global advertising platform that helps publishers monetize their traffic? It is best for social media traffic, blogs and websites, landing pages, paid traffic from Facebook or X ads. X basically Twitter, but right now it is X. Never mind. So, the main feature we will focus on today is called SmartLink, also known as Direct Link. So, this is a special link that automatically redirects users to the most relevant ads based on their location and device. So, the website I was talking about, this is the main website I was talking about. And there is another website also called SmartLink page where you guys just click on that particular SmartLink create button and kudos. So we will click on the moneytech.com and slash format slash smartlink. We will click enter and here we go. We are in the smartlink turn traffic into profit page. You just simply click on that particular get smartlink button and follow the further process. So let me tell you by signing in up so that you guys know that how these kinds of process works. So I have already signed up before, so I'm just simply clicking on the login and I've already logged in. I am currently in my statistics page. Okay, so I'll tell you these kind of details later. So first of all, let me tell you that why you should choose Money Tag Smart Link. So but listen, there are many smart link platforms out there, but here's why Moneydex stand outs. They have been in the market for years. Trust me. Thousands of advertisers worldwide. There is a competitive CPM rates also. Ads available for almost every geo. Fast payouts starting from just $5 and 24/7 support. This means you are not limited to traffic from one country, whether your audience is from India, USA, Europe, or anywhere else. Moneytag has advertisers ready. So I'll tell you the registration process. Okay, so you can simply sign up there from where I told you before. Registrations is very simple. Just click sign up and fill in your real details or just click on the sign in with Google. And this part is very important by the way. So if you enter fake information, you guys might face issues while withdrawing your earnings later. So this is just for an example, you are working a very hard, but at the end you got nothing. So if you guys want something, then you should be very clear about this. So always use real and correct details like me. Okay. So we are on the dashboard right now, and there is a lot of options in sidebar. So here we are having the get smart link button. So we will click on the direct link option right here. So we are in the direct link page. So this is where you generate your smart link. So just create a direct link, and that's the link you will use to monetize your traffic. You just have to paste this link whatever content you are making. So these are the two links I have been created before while I was showing you guys the proper demonstration. You guys just have to add a direct link here. You just have to follow the whole process. It is simple as that. You can customize your websites like this, name and all. Just copy the link, the actual link I'm getting, and you will see the statistics from just right here button. Here is the statistics, that what is the one click and displaying ads, telegram ads, selected formats, and all those things you can simply see in very depth. So you just have to click paste on the link, and you can earn as much as you can. This is properly a ad revenue based model. Okay. So we will head to the statistics page. So at statistic page, you can simply track cost per minute, earnings. Let me check the video. Okay. So you can check track cost per earn money, CPM, earnings, impressions, performance by country. This helps you optimize your traffic strategy. Now, let me tell you guys how payments are work in this platform. We will click on the payment tab, and simply you can see the minimum payout starts from just $5, which is great for beginners. I mean, $5 is a very small amount of money. So this is the proper amount approved, total balance, hold and total withdrawals. You can simply withdraw your earnings by available payment options, such as a lot of popular payment options such as cryptocurrencies, PayPal, Skrill, WebMoney. Even I have never heard about these payment options ever in my life. Wire, online banking, wire, reward. So there is a lot of hella lot of options available for withdrawal. Never mind. So you guys wondering that what to do with the Moneytex SmartLink. So this is the mandatory part. You just have to listen. Key now comes the most important part. That what do you actually do this with this SmartLink? I mean, you have your SmartLink. I have copied it right here. So what to do with this? So actually, there is a option one. Add it to a blog or website. For an example, I have in a dummy page. I'll head to the dev.io where I post dev.to where I post kind of blogs. So I have been created a blog before. Let me tell you this blog I have created. You just have simply click on the added button, and you just have to simply paste the link right here so that you gain traffic. Okay, I hope you guys got my point. And there is option 2 as well. Share on Facebook or X. So you can simply create a post, top 5 websites you should check today. This is the title of my post, and include your link, or even better, link to an article, and inside that article place the smart link button. And let me tell you how it works. So let me tell you how it works. So there is a user. This is a user. So user clicks on smart link. User clicks on smart link, and the user or whatever it is, they will smartly redirect to the relevant ads. There is ads which is showing right now. Okay. So you earn money by the commission of these ads directly into your account as money. Okay. So no product, no customer support, no inventory, no Shopify, nothing. You just have to place the link over here. Whenever the user will click on this link, user will see the ads and you will get the money. As simple as that. So this method works only if you use genuine traffic. Don't try to manipulate the system. Don't try to manipulate the system. Also, in this video, we are only focusing on SmartLink, not other ad platforms. If you already posting on social media, you are sitting on unstaffed income. Moneydex SmartLink is one of the simplest ways to start earning, monetizing that traffic today. You will find Moneytag link in the description below. Sign up, generate your smart link and start testing. And if this video helped you, drop a like and comment smart. So I know you are serious about earning online. So see you in the next one. Till then, thank you.